Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the Realme X2 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro device using this benchmark which I'll be doing right now. So which is the 3D benchmark application. So previous videos I did the Antutu benchmark comparison and the Geek benchmark 5 comparison as well. But I never did this kind of 3D benchmark comparison between both of these processors, Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and the Snapdragon 865 processor. So most of my viewers in my channel, they are having the Realme X2 Pro as well. So that is the reason I have selected the Realme X2 Pro. So in my next video, I'll be trying to compare with other smartphones like the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So let me try to open the application in both of the smartphones. So let me try to start the test at same time in both phones. So let's see which phone will be finishing the 3D benchmark faster. So let's see friends. So as you can see right now, I have tapped both benchmarks at same time in the Realme X2 Pro and in the Poco F2 Pro device. So overall the benchmark is playing pretty good, and in terms of the Antutu benchmark score also, I did another videos as well regarding both phones when comparing side by side. So you can check those links in description if you are interested. So the Poco F2 Pro has a Snapdragon 865 processor, so which I am using for the past close to 2 months. So during this usage, everything is good with the mobile phone apart from not having the higher refresh rate. So this phone has a 180 touch sampling rate, so which won't be that much close to 120 refresh rate, but still it has got the 180 touch sampling rate. So whereas the Realme X2 Pro has a 90 Hz refresh rate, that's a very good thing in the Realme X2 Pro. So even I'll be coming with a full review on the Poco F2 Pro after using for a couple of months. So stay tuned for my channel by subscribing, so you'll get to know more details about the Poco F2 Pro as well in upcoming videos. So make sure to follow me in the YouTube so you'll not miss any other videos in my channel which I will be uploading very frequently. So very soon I'll be getting the OnePlus Nord as well. So once I get the OnePlus Nord, I will do plenty of comparison videos with all the smartphones. So as you can see friends, clearly the Poco F2 Pro has finished the 3D benchmark as you can see test here first before then the Realme X2 Pro device. So it scored around 7203. So in the single shot, as you can see here, slingshot first one, and next is a 6540. So let's compare side by side with the Realme X2 Pro how much the phone has been scored. So let's see how much difference you can expect here. So as you can see friends, there is a huge difference between both of these processors, Snapdragon 855 Plus versus a Snapdragon 865 processor. So 5330 on the Realme X2 Pro device and 7203 on the Poco F2 Pro device. So this is the overall benchmark comparison side by side, as you can see clearly. And for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And that's it for this video friends, and let me know in the comments below what are the other benchmark tests you want me to compare between all other smartphones. So I'll try to make a videos as well on that one. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.